In this video, I will show you how to check Wi-Fi password in a laptop. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and check your Wi-Fi password, maybe you've forgotten what it is, the first thing you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to your taskbar and click onto your search box. Into your search box, you want to type view network, just like so, and underneath best match you should see a result come up called view network connections. So what you want to do is give that a click, and that's going to open up a window like this. On here you should see your Wi-Fi connection. It's going to be labeled Wi-Fi like mine here, and at this point all you want to do is double click onto this to open up a window. On this window that pops up, you're going to see a box which says wireless properties. Give that a click to open up another window, and then all you need to do is come up to the top and click onto security. Now on the security section, you're going to see your network security key down here. You can see it's currently not visible, but all you need to do is tick this box here which says show characters. After this, you're going to see your Wi-Fi password. Of course, I've blurred mine out for security reasons, but that is how to check your Wi-Fi password in laptop. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.